Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the issue with F125 not starting or it just keeps crashing. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that we can do is we can go ahead and make our way over to Steam. From Steam, go over to Library and then look for F125. Once you find it, right click on it, hit Properties, and then make your way over to Installed Files, and then go ahead and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now once this is basically done verifying, what you can do is X out of the Steam, and then you can go ahead and launch the game, and this should fix the issue. Another method you guys can try doing is by updating your drivers, and you can do that by going over to the search bar, typing in Device Manager, go ahead and look for display adapters, right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver. From here, go ahead and choose how do you want to search for drivers, then go ahead and choose Search Automatically for drivers. Now once that is done, that is one way of updating your drivers. Another way is by going over to the NVIDIA app directly and going over to drivers from here, and then make your way over to download or refresh if you want to check for updates. And I highly recommend restarting your PC right after as well. Now once you are done with this, you guys should be good to go. If you're on AMD, you can also use the AMD equivalent app, or just install it from a browser of your choice. Now that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.